Did you know the first murder in human history started with a worship service gone wrong? Two brothers, Cain and Abel, both brought offerings to God in the early days of mankind. Abel carefully selected the finest portions from his firstborn lambs, offering them with a heart full of faith. Cain simply grabbed some crops from his harvest, bringing them without much thought or reverence. God accepted Abel's sacrifice, but rejected Cain's, not because of what was offered, but because of the heart behind it. God even warned Cain directly, saying sin was crouching at his door like a hungry predator, ready to devour him. But instead of repenting, Cain let jealousy and resentment consume him. He lured his brother to a field and brutally murdered him in cold blood. When God asked where Abel was, Cain lied defiantly, asking, "Am I my brother's keeper?" True worship isn't about going through the motions, it's about the condition of our hearts. Unchecked pride and jealousy can destroy everything we hold dear. What's crouching at your door today?